Hi guys, today we will be making this cute crochet jute basket for home decor on low budget. So let's craft. For this project you will need some yarn, any yarn would work, some jute, a crochet tool that is 7 millimeters, some markers, scissors, and some needles, but I really didn't need it. So now we're gonna make a magic circle, which I wrap the string around my finger and pull under and then pull through to create a chain link. Now I'm gonna spread it around and make it bigger to make a circle. Let's straighten it out a little more, and here we go. Now we're gonna crochet 8 stitches around the circle, just a regular single crochet. There is 1. I'll show you a couple more and walk you through. It's really easy. You go under, you pull the string, there's 1 chain, and then you pull through 2 to create a chain link. That is 2 total. So we need 8. And we continue doing it, guys. This is like super easy because I am not a crochet specialist, and I managed to make this basket, and now I'm gonna make another one that is bigger. So when you finish the 8, I will show you what is the next step. Okay, so we got our 8 stitches, and now we're gonna pull on the string to create a circle. Kind of straighten it out a little bit and pull it to tighten it up. You got something like that. That is all your 8 stitches in this little circle. Now, the first round we'll insert our marker on the last stitch so we can keep track of our rounds. And the first round would be we just single crochet in every stitch. So we'll take our jute and place it on top of our stitches, kind of like a round. See what I mean? Like if you go in a circle, this is how it looks. So I hope you guys following me. So we're gonna be stitching on top of the jute. So right now it's kind of finicky because it's all dangling around, but as soon as you go through the first round, you will be fine. So we will not be increasing anything in this round and the next one. I kind of did 2 rounds, just a single crochet. So when we get to the round 3, I'll show you what to do next.
Sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do. This is the reason I am leaving. I can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you see?
So now we're ready for round 3. And the round 3 would be 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Let's start with it. We'll line up our jute again on top, and here we go. 1 single crochet in the first stitch. I'm having trouble obviously a little bit with the jute, but I got to handle it. So there's 1, and the next one would be 2 single crochet in the next stitch. There's 1, and we go back 1 more time in the same little hole. That would be our second. So we do this pattern all the way until our marker. If you forget, what rounds needs to be done what, I will write all this pattern in a description below as well. It's really easy. So one more time, the third round is 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, all the way around. We get to the end again, remove the marker, complete your round, and in this one I had 2 single crochets on the last one. Now place your marker back so you don't forget, because believe me, I had to start over several times because I wasn't paying attention to the marker. So now it's round 4 again, and it's super easy. The pattern would be 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, which if you don't know what 2 single crochet means, let me tell you in a plain language, it's 2 times single crochet in the same hole. How's that? Because I needed somebody to explain me in a plain language when I was figuring out what is a single crochet and what is 2 single crochet. Okay, again, the pattern is 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the same hole, and you do all the way until the marker. Alright guys, this is like a super simple pattern. All you gotta do in your increase, just add 1 single crochet stitch in each round. Don't forget to change your marker, and when you're done with the increase, which you measure it and your bottom is done, then you stop. Now we in a round 5, which we will be doing 3 times single crochet, which is 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochet in the same hole. How's that? And we're gonna repeat this all the way around until we hit our marker. Alright, I have finished my round 5 and I got my bucket because I couldn't find my mason jar handy. It's like disappeared from my desk because a lot of things disappearing, believe me. But anyway, I found it at the end. I measured it on the bucket and it looked just fine. Don't make it too big if you're doing the same thing, because we still need to work those stitches, which is our round 6 would be just a plain crochet, single crochet stitches all the way around until we hit the marker, and from there on you just repeat that until you get the height that you need. But if you need to increase, if you make it for a flower plant, you just continue add 1 single crochet in every round until you get the width that you need. That is that simple. I promise you guys, in a few rounds you will see the basket will start taking a shape. Right now it looks a little weird, but just hang tight and continue doing single crochet in every stitch all the way around the marker. Then take up the marker and repeat the process until you get the height of the basket that you need. Now I found my mason jar, and this is how my basket looks. Isn't it cute? I love it. So I stick my mason jar inside my little basket, and it needed a couple of more rows. I decided to add 2 more rows. So total for the whole basket, I had worked 8 rows. And now we're on the last one. This is, I didn't count as a row, it's just a closing out. If you don't want to do it this way, you can just, cut the string and pull through the last stitch and you're done. But I am doing a reverse single crochet, which is, it's a single crochet in every hole all the way around, but you're going in the opposite direction, and it's just making this really cute braid all the way around the top. I just saw this girl from Australia did it. It's been years, I think, since I saw this pattern, and I can't find, I don't even know what the name was, but I have it written down in my little notebook, and Lord, it took me a while to decode it. Let me put it that way, because 2 years ago I wasn't that let's not talk about it anyway. So now we're at the end. It's our last stitch. We cut the thread, we pull the little thread through the little loop, and we are done. Our basket is ready. What do you guys think? I think it's like super cute. You don't have to use it for the mason jar. You can use it for like a plant, because I have some plants that I am actually growing in my little tin cans. So I'm thinking to make a couple of more baskets, and I have plans for a bigger basket. Anyway, so I put it on top of my mason jar, and of course I can't go without the jute, because we have jute inside. Isn't that cool? So I tied the jute string around the top, and then I fuzz it out a little bit, kind of, just fuzzed it out and with my hands. I didn't do anything special. And then I cut it so it doesn't look too long. And of course, how can we do without the tulips? I don't know why, but this tulips has stole my heart for this spring. And I told you it was from Dollar Tree, and I can't find, I got like 2 bushes or 2 bunches. And I can't find them anymore. But I like to rearrange my flowers, so my tulips from one of my other projects migrated to this project. So if you guys would have done this basket, what would be your idea to use it for? I would love to know, so let me know in the comments below. Well, if you like this video, make sure to check this one out. But for now, it is bye, and I will see you in my next video real soon.